Good evening, India. Welcome back to DJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines. Nation bids farewell to icon Ratan Tata. Marandi shares sorrow. Ratan Tata's passing has left India mourning with heartfelt tributes pouring in from across the country. Jharkhand's former Chief Minister Babulal Marandi expressed deep sadness over Tata's demise. Marandi praised Tata's humility and dedication to India, noting his significant contributions to business and society. Tata, aged 86, passed away in Mumbai following a prolonged illness. His legacy as a philanthropic leader and pioneer in the industrial sector will remain unforgettable. N. Chandrasekaran, chairman of Tata Sons, mourned Tata's loss, highlighting his unparalleled leadership and influence. Political leaders, including the President and Prime Minister, conveyed their condolences. Tata's commitment to India's growth and development will be remembered. Giriraj Singh leads Hindu Swabhiman Yatra, calls for unity amidst Bangladesh violence. Union Minister Giriraj Singh has launched the Hindu Swabhiman Yatra in Bihar, aiming to unite Hindus against the violence faced by Hindus in Bangladesh. Singh emphasized the need for Hindus to stand against the persecution of their community. The yatra started in Bhagalpur and will end in Kishanganj, making stops in Katihar, Purnia and Araria. The journey serves as both a protest against the atrocities in Bangladesh and a call for Hindu unity against future threats. Various Hindu nationalist organizations are also supporting the movement. Singh's strong stance resonates with the concern for Hindus facing persecution globally. Political parties in Jharkhand engage in poster campaign ahead of elections. As Jharkhand's assembly elections approach, political parties have launched aggressive poster campaigns targeting each other. The Jharkhand Mukti Morcha (JMM) has plastered posters across Ranchi accusing the central government of withholding funds. In response, the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) launched a counter campaign calling for leadership change. JMM leader Dr. Tanuj highlighted concerns about withheld funds, while BJP's Naveen Jaiswal accused the state government of misleading the youth. The poster war is just the beginning, with campaigns expected to intensify in the coming weeks. Bihar's Education Minister defends teacher transfer policy amid criticism. Bihar's Education Minister Sunil Kumar has addressed concerns surrounding the teacher transfer policy, assuring fairness and transparency. Kumar acknowledged dissatisfaction but emphasized the policies aim to reduce human interference through a software-driven process. The state set up district-level committees to address grievances, and teachers have 10 options for transfer locations. Kumar highlighted the government's focus on improving women's literacy and reducing the school dropout rate, expressing confidence in the policy's benefits for education. Ratan Tata's love story cut short by 1962 India-China War. Ratan Tata's professional success is well known, but his personal life carries an unfulfilled love story. In the 1960s, while studying in the US, Tata fell in love with a woman and they planned to marry. However, the 1962 India-China War changed everything. Tata had to return to India due to his grandmother's ill health, and the war prevented his return. His fiancée family refused the marriage due to the conflict, leaving Tata heartbroken. Despite coming close to marriage several times, he remained unmarried.